Hi, this is Sarah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here today to share with you another great faceless YouTube channel idea. I'm going to show you how you can earn money making health and fitness tips videos using ChatGPT. Whether you're thinking to become a full-time fitness influencer or thinking to start your own coaching business or just to earn money through health and fitness tips videos, then this video is going to help you. I will show you how ChatGPT can be helpful in making these videos. Let me show you some example videos where you can see how good this health and fitness niche is doing. This video here is about the benefits of garlic, and you can see 7.2 million views within a year. Another example here is 12 healthiest foods you should eat in the morning, and this video has 1.3 million views within 7 months. You can choose topics from very simple to very complex as per your interest. ChatGPT can help you in different ways, like in content ideas. You can ask ChatGPT to give you new and fresh ideas for your content, like trending topics in your category or in your niche. All you have to do is open ChatGPT and type in the search box trending content ideas for health and fitness YouTube channel, and you will see how quickly ChatGPT will give you the response and will give you a list of trending content ideas. You can choose any of your choice. The next thing with ChatGPT is helpful in making these videos is script writing. ChatGPT gives you the whole script for your video from start to end. For the script of the video, you have to type the title of your video and ask ChatGPT to give you the script for your video. For example, I'm just gonna write script for the video benefits of strawberry, and again you will see how quickly is showing you the full script of your video. You can edit it and you can use for your video. The next big thing for your YouTube channel success is SEO, or search engine optimization. ChatGPT will guide you optimizing your video title, video description, and video tags. It will help you finding the relevant keywords and the best titles available. Better the description, video tags or title, the more views you will have on your video. Another way ChatGPT can help you in this niche is fact-checking and research. Any data you collect for your video through different resources like Google, apps, and different books, ChatGPT can give you the exact information. It can give you the facts about your knowledge, your data. Do your maximum research on the topics you have chosen for your video, because health and fitness is a sensitive topic and you have to be very careful while uploading any content. Let's talk about different ways to earn money through your health and fitness tips videos. The first thing, as I discussed, is through YouTube monetization. Once you have 1,000 subscribers on your channel and 4,000 hours watch time within a year, you will start earning money. Another way to earn money through health and fitness videos is through sponsored content. You can collaborate with different brands and you can promote their products on your channel. And the third comes affiliate marketing. You can earn loads of money through different affiliate marketing programs from your health and fitness videos. All you have to do is post the affiliate links in your videos or in your video description, and if your viewers make a purchase, you will get the commission. Another way to earn money is through merchandise sales. Once people start trusting you and they start watching your videos, you have a good number of subscribers, you can start selling your products. These products could be water bottles, recipe books, and so on. You can use your same health and fitness videos which you make for your YouTube on different social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Always remember that health and fitness channel requires consistency, quality content, and engaging with your audience. Over time, as your audience grows, the potential to earn money through different platforms will also grow. There are many videos available for free in Faceless. Let me show you how you can find them. Open Pexels and type health and fitness, then click on videos. Here you can see many videos available which you can use for your video, and they are all free to use. For example, if you are making a video on benefits of carrot, you can use a video like this one which says free to download. I would suggest you to use your own voice in your videos, because when you use your own voice, the trust level of your audience is comparatively high. You can use some video editors where you can use text to speech, but I would again suggest you to use your own voice. Let me share with you top tips to use ChatGPT. No doubt that ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but I would suggest you to use your own expertise and judgment. Don't just follow the first response from ChatGPT, but keep regenerating responses and get the best information from there. Avoid copy and pasting text, but check plagiarism and use your own words in your content. Just make sure that you don't provide any wrong information to your viewers about health and fitness. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay in touch while subscribing my channel. Look after yourself and others around you. Bye.